Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add Google Browser widget to the home screen on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to add the Google Browser widget to the home screen allows for convenient access to your favorite websites or frequently visited page directly from the home screen. It can save time by eliminating the need to open the browser first and then navigate to the desired site. Plus, it adds a level of customization to your home screen, making it more tailored to your browsing habits and preferences. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, long press any screen on your device. Well, next, click Widget option, and then scroll down till you find Google option. Tap on it. Okay, so here slide please, and then you can click Add to Desktop option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add Google Browser widget to the home screen on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.